Kia ora koutou.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Doctorate. Doctorate. Tākuta. Tohungatanga. They're going for their doctorate. Whānau, we're running out of time, money, daylight, and even power on the phone. We haven't got time to talk too much. We're just going to try and rock it out with what little power we've got. I've really had a lot of fun working with these two naughty guys here from Paikakariki. And we're going to try this waiata. Hoki, hoki, tonu mai. And they've only had a little practice. We've only got a couple of minutes. Let's go, whānau. You guys join us, those of you who know it. Here we go. Hoki, hoki, tonu mai, toru, whā. Hoki, hoki, tonu mai, te wairua o te tau. Ki te awhireinga, ki tēnei kiri e. Ki tēnei kiri e kapinea. Kapinea koe e ahau. Ki te pine o te aroha. Ki te pine e kore nei. Hoki tonu mai, te wairua o te tau. Ki te awhireinga, ki tēnei kiri e. Ki tēnei kiri e kapinea. Kapinea koe e ahau. Ki te pine o te aroha. Ki te pine e kore nei. E kura e. E wai kura e. Kia ora koutou. Well, as you can see, we did run out of power there last night, but I think we captured the most of it. The aroha and the intent there from Kieran and Mikaere. So grateful for you two popping along last night and helping me put together this week's videos for the whānau, for the Kiimai 5 Māori language workout. It was a lot of fun. We just worked with what we had there. I'm really grateful how you guys jumped in like that. So mihi nui kia korua, mea korua whānau kei te kāinga. Big shout out also to the Paikakariki Kindergarten for letting us use that venue over the last couple of seasons, last few terms actually. Wonderful building in there, wonderful work they're doing with the tamariki in the kindergarten itself, the play centre there with the families working cooperatively, all working along there to support the kaupapa and bringing te reo Māori to your tamariki down there in the Paikakariki village. So mihi nui kia koutou. To our whānau on the Kiimai 5 workout, good work, great work, been getting good feedback. I'm going to be working today on updating all those PDFs and ebooks, and we'll get them out to you soon. Hopefully we'll bundle it all up and get all up to date with this being week 5. That's enough for now, whānau. Take care. Kia pai tō rā, me tō mahi, e ako ana I te reo rangatira. Tihei, Mauri ora.